Hello and welcome to Tarjeeh API portal. In this video, I will show you how you can integrate your Shopify store with Tarjeeh WhatsApp Cloud API. So once you're logged into your Tarjeeh portal, go to Setting. After the settings, go to Ecommerce integrations, then create new. Here you will select Shopify. Then just give a profile name of your store. Here you have to enter the subdomain of your Shopify that you can find in the Shopify. Go to settings, in domains. This is your Shopify subdomain. Just copy your Shopify domain here, and here you have to give admin access token that you can create in the Shopify store again. Go to the setting in your Shopify store. Then notifications. Apps and sales channels. Develop apps. Allow custom app development. Allow custom app development again. Here click create an app. Give your app a name. Here you have an access of your app. Click configure admin API scopes. In this window you will see orders, order editing, and orders, both write order edits, read order edits, and in orders and order editing also. Now go to the top, click save. Install app. Here you will get the admin API access token. It will be revealed only once. So once you reveal, just copy it and save somewhere else in your system, so you will have access later on. So copy this admin API access token and paste it in your Tarjeeh portal. Click save. Now your Shopify store is successfully integrated with Tarjeeh API portal, and now you can go to the bot manager, and in WooCommerce Shopify automations you can create automations for your Shopify stores for like abandoned cart recovery, order notification, and COD verifications. Thank you.